To indicate a relationship or association with a friend, with a partner, with colleagues, with family. She is going to the concert with a friend. He is working late with his colleagues. To express accompaniment. With someone, with something, with a person, with a group. I'll be there with my sister tomorrow. He came with a gift for her birthday. To show possession or containment, with a handle, with a cover, with a lock, with a lid. The box with a lock is in the drawer. This book with a cover is for sale. To express tools or means. With a pen, with a phone, with a knife, with a tool. He wrote the letter with a pen. She cut the paper with a knife. To indicate agreement or support with the plan, with the decision, with the idea, with the proposal # they are with the plan to improve the process. He agrees with the decision to delay the project. To describe a condition or quality with care, with precision, with confidence, with kindness. She handled the situation with care. He spoke with confidence in the meeting. To express a relationship in terms of comparisons or contrasts with respect to, with regard to, with reference to #. This issue needs to be addressed with respect to the new law. She spoke with regard to the ongoing investigation. To show manner or style, with enthusiasm, with passion, with style, with ease. He delivered the speech with enthusiasm. She solved the problem with ease. Common collocations with pleasure, with ease, with interest, with success. I'd be happy to help you with pleasure. She finished the project with ease. He listened to the lecture with interest. They completed the task with success.